This video took me exactly 47 seconds to make. No editing software, no camera, no filming, just one AI tool that most people are using completely wrong. I spent the last 7 days testing Kling AI, and I found 3 features that nobody talks about. Features that turn amateur-looking clips into something that looks like it costs thousands to produce. Stick around because I'm about to save you hours of frustration and probably a few $100s in wasted credits. So what exactly is Kling AI? In simple terms, it's an AI video generator that turns text or images into actual video clips. You type what you want and it creates it. Now there are other tools out there, Runway, Pika, Sora, but here's the thing, Kling AI can generate videos up to 3 minutes long, while most competitors max out at 10, 20 seconds. And it has a free tier that's actually usable. But here's what nobody tells you. 90% of people get frustrated with Kling because their videos keep failing. They waste credits on bad prompts, or they never discover the features that actually matter. Today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow I use, from signing up to exporting pro-quality videos. And I'll reveal the 3 features that changed everything for me. Let's dive in. All right, head to klingai.com. Links in the description. Sign up with Google or email, takes about 30 seconds. Now here's where most people get confused. The credit system. Let me break this down so you don't waste money like I did when I started. Free users get 66 credits daily. That's enough for maybe 3-4 short clips. The catch? Free credits expire every day and your videos will have a watermark. Standard plan starts around $7 per month for 660 credits. Pro is around $26 per month for 3,000 credits. Prices change, so I'll put the current pricing link in the description. Here's the trap most people fall into. Professional mode costs 3.5 times more credits than standard mode. So if you're just learning, stick with standard until you know what you're doing. Okay, credits understood. But credits mean nothing if your videos keep failing. Which brings me to the first feature that changed everything. Feature number 1. Start and end frames. If you've used Kling AI, you've probably experienced this nightmare. Your video gets stuck at 99% and never finishes. You wait an hour, nothing. You refresh, still nothing. Your credits? Gone. Here's the fix that nobody explains properly. Instead of letting Kling guess your start and end points, you give it reference images. Upload an image for the first frame, upload another for the last frame. Watch this. Same prompt that kept failing, but with start and end frames defined, boom. No more 99% failures. The reason this works is that you're giving the AI clear boundaries instead of making it figure everything out. It's like the difference between saying drive somewhere versus drive from point A to point B. This alone probably saved me 500 credits in failed generations. But getting videos to complete is just step 1. What if you want the same character or product to appear consistently across multiple videos? That's where feature number 2 comes in. Feature number 2 is called Elements, and almost nobody uses this properly. It's hidden right here in the interface. Here's the problem it solves. Let's say you're making an ad for a product. You generate a video of someone holding your product, looks great. Then you generate another scene, and suddenly the product looks completely different. Wrong color, wrong shape, like a knockoff version. Elements fixes this. You upload up to 4 reference images of your product, character, or whatever needs to stay consistent. Then when you generate, Kling uses those references to keep things looking the same across every single clip. Look at the difference. If you're making any kind of branded content or storytelling, this is non-negotiable. Now you've got consistent videos that don't fail. But there's still one thing that trips people up: the prompts themselves. And that's feature number 3. Feature 3, negative prompts. Most people skip this box entirely. Huge mistake. Think of it this way. Telling Kling what you want is only half the equation. Telling it what you don't want is equally important. See this? I asked for a person walking through a city. Got a person walking through a city with weird morphing faces, extra limbs in the background, and some random logo appearing for no reason. Same prompt, but I added this negative prompt. Blurry, distorted faces, extra limbs, watermark, low quality, deformed. Night and day difference. Here's my go-to negative prompt that I use for almost everything. I'll put it in the description so you can copy it. Use it as your starting point and customize from there. These 3 features, start, end frames, elements, and negative prompts, are what separate amateur AI videos from professional-looking content. Master these and you're already ahead of 90% of Kling users. Before you go, here are 3 quick tips that'll save you a ton of headaches. Tip 1. Generate during off-peak hours. Free tier during US daytime? You might wait 2-3 hours. Same generation at 3 a.m. US time? Sometimes under 30 minutes. I'm not kidding. Tip 2. Start with 5-second clips, not 10. You use fewer credits, get results faster, and can test prompts without burning through your balance. Once your prompt is dialed in, then extend the length. Tip 3. Watch out for the NSFW filter. It's aggressive. Words like shirtless, intimate, even battle can sometimes trigger false positives and waste your credits. Keep it clean until you know the boundaries. If this saved you time or credits, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. I put out new AI tool breakdowns every week, and I promise I'll never waste your time with fluff. Now, Kling is incredible for video generation, but what if you need an AI avatar that can actually talk and present? That's a whole different tool. And I covered the best one in this video right here. It's called HeyGen, and when you combine it with Kling, that's when things get really interesting. Links on screen now. Drop a comment below. What's the first video you're going to create with Kling AI? I actually read every comment, and I might feature the best ideas in a future video. See you in the next one.